This is JR Smooth. I'm outside and it is raining and it's pouring. Holy crap. They said on the news today there's gonna be a flash flood. So what do you guys do? Stay indoors and holy crap, that was a lightning. That was a lightning. It's super pouring outside. If you guys can hear that, I am outside. I'm outside right now. Holy crap. It is soaking wet. No, well basically I just got home, so my friend drove me home, so I'm all good. I'm inside the house right now. And it's super raining. Holy crap. Oh my god. It's thunder and lightning. You guys can hear that? Oh. It's raining big time. It's raining big time. Holy shit. Me, I just got soaked, so I'm not going out there again. Oh god. I guess someone just got hit. Someone just got hit by lightning. Holy crap, someone just got hit by lightning. Whoa, crap. Well, so much for our porch. It's super soaked. Hope I don't drop my phone in it. Holy crap. Well, if you guys like what you see, if you guys like my videos, please comment anytime. And a big shout out to all my subscribers. And if you have any questions, please leave the comments in very below, and don't forget to subscribe. And hi Catherine, I'm outside. I hope you're doing okay. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're not outside. I hope you're going home safely. And I am out here being an idiot. Hopefully I don't get struck by lightning, and I hope I don't get soaked. So wish me luck. And if you guys like this video, please comment, leave at the bottom. And please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.